Except for maybe a handful of almonds, I have starved myself for this very moment this morning because now it's time. On his morning crew, with his radios, Rob and Liz, Lizz's Ugly Bakery. And what is she serving up today?
It's an American flag apple pie.
It looks great. Now, usually, Liz's Ugly Bakery, this has been the theme since the beginning.
Yeah.
It doesn't look good, but it tastes great.
Right. Well, once I cut the slices, they fell apart, so that was kind of ugly.
That's the ugly part?
Exactly. I guess
That's
today.
the fun part.
I was so excited, so I didn't have to, but I wanted to make an American flag since it was the 4th of July, and I ordered what is called edible disco glitter. And I ordered it in red and blue. And I already had some sparkly white. And so I put that on my crust to make the flag. It was awesome. It's just awesome. I love it.
It is sparkly. She blinged out apple pie. I've never seen this in my life.
Yeah.
Okay, so how come you don't have a piece?
Oh, I didn't cut myself a piece.
Cut yourself a piece.
Okay, I'll cut myself a piece. Hold on.
Because
but the boys
usually,
already have some.
Okay, so we're going to check in with our video department. That is Ian and TJ. And let's see from our producers how this apple pie tastes. Okay, who wants to go first?
Yeah.
That is really good.
Oh, bruh.
I love apple
bruh.
pie in general, but this is really good. Really, really good.
It has been ages since I've had a good apple pie. This is literally no complaints. Like, if I had one, I would share it.
Yeah.
I got nothing.
Nothing?
So it's good. It's warm. I feel
Okay.
it. So she
Yeah.
gave me a piece. I'm going to take a little small bite
Okay.
of the apple pie. I need the crust in there. Sorry.
Yeah, you got to have the crust.
Oh, the crust is
That's
falling.
what I was worried about.
The crust? Mm-hmm.
I've always bought refrigerated crust.
Oh, it's dog awful. Oh, I'm kidding.
Boy?
I'm kidding. Somebody's got to say something negative about it. Nobody can.
Not
well,
necessarily.
really
You
good.
Once I'm a little negative, I've never been a big fan of glitter. Though that's a very small thing.
So do you taste the glitter?
No, I don't taste the glitter.
good, 'cause it's edible
I've always
glitter.
had this little vendetta against glitter. It's like as soon as you include glitter in something, you're gonna be seeing it for like months on end.
Okay.
But that's usually just for crafts.
true. I have a critique myself. I can see that the crust that I laid on the top is on the Great British Baking Show. They would say this is underdone. It's raw, as they would say. It's not exactly raw, but it's a little underdone, the crust on top.
I'd be a horrible judge in a cooking show. I thought this is good.
And no, it is good, but that is
Now-
one thing that I can see.
I will say that Ian has brought up a point.
What?
Are my teeth going to have glitter on them all day?
Yes.
No, Rob Dempsey.
Are we going to smile and you see this little ding
Ding. It's like a
all day
TV show. It's
long?
like a cartoon.
A cartoon.
Yeah.
There you go.
If that
Liz-
were true, I would eat like this entire pie.
Liz's Ugly Bakery. Want to see how she made this, the recipe that you can get yourself? Just go to hisradio.com. You'll see the Rob and Liz blog. You'll catch it a little bit later as well on the His Radio video replay. You just have to see what this looks like. Liz's Ugly Bakery, His Radio.